He's gonna go like stink.
Kevin's gonna go down?
No,
He's
this guy's gonna go on his butt.
Should have had his helmet.
Oh my god, he's nuts.
Protect your head! Protect your head!
I got my hood.
No, I move over to the left of that.
It's a straight drop off!
He's gonna get some good speed out of that.
He's gonna whack his ass.
Yeah,
we
we
got
do.
one here and one up there.
Woo!
Oh, that wasn't so bad!
Nice! I can't stand here.
It's not as smooth as it looks.
I was gonna ask you that. Some women pay big money to have that kind of rumbling action going on back there.
That's right.
That's a sell you. I think he. Suck that hemorrhoid right back up inside. Kevin, why are you going down that way?
Jesus.
You didn't mind bringing your claws down it.
He goes.
Yes, or rolled his ankle, or hurt your ass.
Go down on your front this time.
Well, where's the commander? Maybe snowboard now.
Try to stand.
There he comes.
Oh! That was worse than that.
Good one. He went over some lumps there. Oh, man.
That one had to have hurt.
Yeah.
Here he comes.
Sound effects and everything. Oh, you boys. That's funny. The sound effects are the best.
Yeah. Oh! Ow!